A very good afternoon to you all. Dear students, our topic for today is Introduction to Management Accounting. As the term management accounting is made of two words, management plus accounting. So it is accounting for managers. As you all know, a manager has to take a lot of decisions in the business. The managers have to plan, control, and direct the business. So, for taking various decisions, the management needs a lot of accounting information as well. But as such, financial and cost accounting information may not be useful for the managers for taking decisions. So here comes the role of management accounting. Management accounting is nothing but redesigning accounting information in such a way so that it is useful for the managers for taking decisions. So, management accounting is that branch of accounting which deals with presenting and providing information to the management in a systematic way so that it can perform its managerial functions of planning, controlling, and decision making in an effective and efficient manner. So, management accounting redesigns all the accounting information so as to make it useful for the managers, so as to help the managers to take important decisions in the business. According to American Accounting Association, management accounting is application of appropriate techniques and concepts in processing historical and projected economic data of an entity to assist management in establishing plans in order to take important decisions. So, management accounting is the use of various techniques and concepts which we'll study in the topic of management accounting. So, these techniques and concepts are applied in order to process the historical, financial, and cost accounting data in order to help the managers to take important decisions in the business. Management accounting is the process of analysis, interpretation, and presentation of accounting information collected with the help of financial accounting and cost accounting. So, management accounting is not a new accounting. It is redesigning the accounting information which is provided by financial and cost accounts, which you have already studied in your previous semesters. So that information is redesigned in order to make that information useful for the managers, so that managers can take quick decisions in the business, because managers don't have so much of time to go through all the financial and cost accounting data in order to take any important decision. So whenever a decision has to be taken by the managers, the management accounting provides the needful information to the management after processing the data which is provided by financial and cost accounts. So this is about meaning of management accounting. Let us discuss important characteristics of management accounting. First important characteristic is providing accounting information. In management accounting, we are not doing anything new. It is providing accounting information, but according to the requirements of management, so that management can take important decisions in the business. In management accounting, the cause and effect analysis is done. Say for example, if the income statement is showing a profit or a loss of a particular amount, then through management accounting, what the management accountants will do, they will calculate various important ratios and they will analyze that profitability position of the company, and after analyzing that important information, they will give the reports to the management so that management can take important decisions regarding improving profitability of the business or to avoid the losses in the business. Management accounting helps in taking important decisions to the management. But while preparing management accounting, no fixed norms are required to be followed. There are no accounting principles which are required to be followed while preparing management accounts, because management accounts are prepared for the management, the internal party of the business. So the accounts are prepared according to the requirements of the management, because these accounts are not published to the outside parties. Rather, they are used by only managers of the business for taking important decision. As management accounts help the management in taking important decisions, so they help in increasing efficiency of the business. Another important characteristic of management accounting is it supplies information, not decision. Decision will be taken by managers. Management accounting will just provide information to the managers. With the help of that information, the manager will take important decisions. And last important characteristic is it is concerned with forecasting. Whatever management does, that is for future. Whatever decisions are taken by the management, they are taken for future. So management accounting is also concerned with forecasting, taking decisions for the future so that the business efficiency can be improved in the long run. So dear students, this was all about meaning and characteristics of management accounting. This is the introductory video for your syllabus. For any query, you can post me the messages. Thank you all.